Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So yes, ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದು ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ರೈಡ್ ಗೋವಾ ರೈಡ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. It's 4 o'clock and loading is going on. So we have Sumit with this ninja avatar and Kishan and then Deepak. He's not coming but he's helping with us packing. Again, this is the luggage of like 3 people now, and after Mulki, one more person's luggage will be added. Again, it's 4 people in my bag. Okay, let's begin. It's very cold, but we are all geared up. No issues. Okay. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. To be back on the road. Yeah, so 4 of us will be riding. Right now we are at Mangaluru, Nantur Circle, and one more friend of ours will be joining at Bulki. So yeah, 4 on 2 bikes. So yes, really excited because it's New Year ride after all. And I try to ride to a different state every year. I have done Pondicherry, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Mumbai. So this year it's going to be Goa, baby. ಉಂಟ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮರ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೋ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಭಾರ ಉಂಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಸೊ ಮುಲ್ಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಈಗ ಮುಲ್ಕಿ. ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ we wanted to reach Mara ಅಂತ 7 half an hour ಇದೆ. No problem. Oh sorry. ಏನಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ फ्यूल खाली है ना ఆయన బంజి ఫుల్ అత్తండి టాంకి ఖాళీ అత్తండి. So be 136 km from my home and I got a mileage of 28.3. It last a few kilometers I rode in average, so that's why it became 28 now. Not bad. I did hundreds constantly. I did not cross 110. This I'm getting 28. Otherwise it would have been less. So this is my bike for today, all loaded up. I got this Rynox Expedition charging bag. Look how it looks. This one has slightly less luggage. We'll fill his luggage in this one, the fourth guy, and then it will become even. I felt the imbalance in few places when I was doing corners, like hard corners. Otherwise it's all fine. The bike handles well. So then I got my top box. I kept some accessories in it, and this is my new tank bag from Gods. And I've kept my logging accessories in this, like GoPro stick and all the charging wires. I'm using a secondary phone for maps and recording audio. That's it. So this is my KDV in its full glory, riding for the first time with all the luggages. That's how it looks.
ಪಾಪೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಮಲ್ದಿನಿ ಪೂರ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಪಿಚ್ಕಿ ಆತಂಡ
This is Akshay and we have Kishan and myself. beautiful sunrise. Now it's all balanced, loaded up. And Sumit is on his Duke. There's no luggage at all. Whichever hotel we'll come across first, we'll stop there. We'll have our breakfast and then leave. We just stop here for breakfast and we come for Hara. We'll come some like 15-20 kilometers from Marante. Come. Coffee kasa hai malt.
Riding ede kammi.
Dada? Riding
ede kammi and parpuna drink and drive malpara bandi.
Usual idli sambar. Some time already waste agide. Ali Maravante wanted to stop for like 15 minutes but ended up being like 50 minutes. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅಂದತಿ 6 PM ಪುರ ಪೋಪತ ನೆಟ್ ಪುರ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಕ್ ಅವು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟತ ನಾನು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ತೋಜುಂಡು ಸೊ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ವೈಸರ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. Okay, we reached Bhatkala, did pretty good speeds. Green mountains and sunrise, what a perfect combo. This is the jugaad I'm doing for GoPro. I don't have a mic, extra mic, and at high speeds you know the wind noise. Even at my slow speeds you'll hear in my previous videos. So this time I've done this jugaad. I'm recording this audio on a separate phone. I'm attaching the earphone or microphone here and recording that way. Then I'll try to sync it with the GoPro footage. That is the plan.
ನಿನ್ನ ಸಸ್ತಾ ಜುಗಾಡ್ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಲ್ತಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳ ಪಾಡ
So this is Gangavali river. We just crossed Gokarna. Next stop will be Ankola. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, one tiny mini cut just before Karavara. So yeah, we are almost close to Karavara. Just stopped here for a break, water break, and we are like 20 kilometers from Karavara, I think. From here onwards it's going to be a single road like this, and it will be scenic and all the western ghats and all. It won't be open grounds. The Rynox bag, they are really stable. This one has less luggage, that's why it's looking a bit odd, but otherwise if you look at that, it's properly aligned. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. and let me know in the comments if you have some suggestions and things. The treatment. Okay, let's leave. 10 minutes break ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ half an hour ಆಯಿತು. So I put direction to our room. I booked a room somewhere between Cancona and Margaon. It's beach side. So small homestay. I see so many cars coming from like Mangalore and South Karnataka and bikers. So for sure Goa is going to be crowded. Network survey vehicle. Oh, looks like they're mapping kilometers maybe. So there is a mechanism attached to the tire. Maybe it's the sensor that takes readings from the tire. Looks so complicated. Structural. So we are at Karavara now. This is the second encounter with Arabian Sea after Maravante. Wow, this is so beautiful. River meeting the sea. So we reached Goa border. क्या क्या चाहिए?
ये आपका सेकेंड डोज का सर्टिफिकेट.
ठीक.
बीके कार्तिक.
हाँ. ले सकते हैं ना? Thank you. So we are officially into Goa. This is the guard you get before entering Cancona. And the fast up you got to jay car they all 90% way there. Hi bro. Kodlana? Ye jana ulla. Ha? Ye jana ulla. Endula aji. Gada. Hey. Bye.
Karthik Prabhu बोल के.
So we are here at our stay and waiting to check in. It's a good nice stay I feel. It's not like I thought it would be, but still better. What section?
Yeah.
Did you like the vibes?
Kind of.
What did you like the most?
I like the ambience over here.
So we wanted a cheaper stay, so didn't really bother about the ambience and all. So we won't be there in the room. It's only to stay. In morning, daytime we will be roaming around. So that's the thing. But it's nice guy. भाई आपका नाम क्या है?
Savio.
Savio.
Castello.
This is the cheapest room we have found. This is like the proper jugaad I feel. So this is bikes here and beach is like 150 meters. So this is the stay. This is go for lunch. I mean, we have a cafeteria like thing here. He said it will be open till like 2 a.m. and there'll be music and all. Just check out. You see, that's the stay, and there is the beach. How late?
One eternity later.
ಸೊ ಗೋವಾಗೆ ಬಂದು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾದರೂ? ದಿಸ್ ಗೈ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಕಿಶನ್? ಹಾಂ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದು ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್.